In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify GoDaddy domain in Google Search Console. Quick guide. First, open Google Search Console in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account you want to manage your site with. Once you're on the welcome screen, open the menu and look for the property dropdown at the top. From there, choose Add Property. This is how you tell Google you want to manage a new site. When the setup box appears, select the domain option. This verifies your entire domain, every subdomain, and both HTTP and HTTPS, so you don't have to repeat this later. In the field provided, type only your root domain without HTTP, HTTPS, or www. For example, use example.com. Then continue to the next step. Google will show you a unique TXT record. This is a short string that proves you own the domain. Click to copy the entire value exactly as shown, and keep this tab open so you can return to it. Avoid adding any extra spaces or quotation marks when you paste it later. Now switch over to GoDaddy, log into your account, go to My Products, find the domain you're verifying, and open its DNS settings. In the DNS records section, click Add. For type, choose TXT. In the name or host field, enter the @ symbol, @. This targets the root of your domain. In the value field, paste the TXT record you copied from Google. You can leave TTL at its default or pick a shorter option if available. Save the record to apply your changes. Head back to the Google Search Console tab and click Verify. If everything has propagated, you'll see a success message and your domain will be added to your properties. If verification doesn't go through immediately, don't worry. DNS updates can take some time to spread across the internet. Give it a few minutes, or in some cases up to a few hours, and then try verify again. While you wait, double check that the record type is TXT, the host is AT, and the value matches exactly what Google provided with no extra characters. Once verified, your domain property will be ready inside Search Console. From there, you can submit sitemaps, monitor indexing, and track search performance across your entire domain. That's it. Go to Search Console, add a domain property, copy the TXT record, add it in GoDaddy DNS as a TXT with @ for the host, then return to Google and verify. You're all set.